thinking, what the hell's he doing there? And it's quite a rare piston. So he turns the mop on. I said, hang on mate, you want to take the rings off it? He goes, do you think I don't know what I'm doing? He said, well, he's done it a million times, which he hasn't. He's never done it before. And I said, mate, you'll catch one of the piston rings on the mop and just snap. You'll hear a ting and it'll go, you go, will you F off? I know exactly what I'm doing. So he stands at the mop, he's there, oh, a good 10 seconds, ting. And you know, how are we going to fix that now? It's now a nightmare. It's gone from not being a problem to an absolute nightmare. And then he just turns around and goes, that didn't go well, did it? One time, did I sell that?
Maybe I sat the wrong way. How much shite has he got?
He's got probably 3 that run. Most of them have had the ignition left on. And he's decided it's going to go even more horribly wrong. He's going, I can never start these kickstart ones. I'm going only electric start. Well, if you leave the key on that, he's really going to be mad, isn't he?
Alright, you see what I mean? You see what I'm doing? It's all very funny on stage, right? And it doesn't change when we're on the ground, right? When we're actually in the shed. It's just dribbling on about my propensity to flog anything. That's fully available, 14 grand if you're interested. No, seriously, I think I've probably got about 30 bikes. Really? I've got other stuff, but mainly 30 bikes, I reckon. And he's right. I ride my Harley and my Goldwing. And that's about it.
And when your battery's charged.
Yeah, the battery went on that, didn't it? And
yeah, it's just unfair. I'm not talking about it. It's just...
Hang on. You wired in an Optimate, so it will go all winter.
Yes.
But you blew the fuse on the Optimate, plugged it in, it took him 2 months to work out why it wouldn't charge.
Can I just say, I have to admit...
It bought 200 quid a pop as well. On the internet.
I cannot do you know what, people think that, oh, we've scripted this, right? Bollocks we have. It just winded me up. I have to tell you though, I thought, oh, I'll go and do a voiceover, I'll get on the Goldwing, which I haven't ridden for a couple of months, right? So I go into the garage with the clicky thing on the Goldwing, which I haven't worked out yet quite. And we trickle charges on, you know, it's green, I think, oh, brilliant, right? So I put the key in the little pouch thing, and I turn the...
Which he also keeps his false teeth in.
Only when it's raining. And I turn the thing, right, bloody thing doesn't work. And I can't believe what happened. Basically, what has happened is that it's reset itself, so it actually wasn't charging for 2 months. And I didn't realise the light on it was a different light than it should have been. So I had to, you know, Alan's a genius, Guy's an arsehole. Fuzzer's a genius. The thing is, you've got to give it a go, Fuzzer.
Everybody learns in different ways.
Yeah,
so
right. I know.
Alan started as a young lad.
Yes.
But what did you do? You put what was your Sabat punch lawnmower into a motor? That's all right. Okay.
What did he just say?
So lawnmower engine into a moped.
All right.
So he learned the methodical way. Some people think it through.
Yeah.
Other people learn by mistakes.
I don't know what you're referring to there, Fuzzer.
No, I'll just say that, you know, everybody hopefully gets there in the end.
Right, okay, look, we've done enough of this. Can I just... Is that it?
What's this doing it?
I don't know. Alan?
That's our GT750.
It is. So look, when we're restoring for the motorbike show, right, I think, oh, what would I like to keep in the show? I mean, what would I like to restore?
It's usually a chopper.
What?
First port called a chopper. I'm not another chopper.
Don't be like that. We've only done 5 or 6 of them, you know?
Fine.
I do love a chopper. Do you know what things do? I can see you on that chops.
It's because that's one of the only times that he looks great.
He can't start. Yeah, he starts and can't.
Oh, look, hang on. I'll get me slow, alright? It's alright, you carry on. I'm sorry.
It does look cool on the trail.
Let me stop there. Come here, Ian. Come here. Applause and different fights and so on. Give a big round of applause. Thank you very much. We're back on stage with two. We will be going around. We're going to shoot off now. We've got I was going to say, I need this. Yeah.
Tickets are still available to purchase. Please head to the museum.
61. Watching those,
looking 3 inches of rubber stopping
watching
you.
those lumps of rubber just go fly past your face. Well, you're doing 85 down here.
It's disintegrating before your eyes.
One fight in the tank. Love the tank, I don't know. Yeah.
That's block. I'm telling you now, you're for a very, very mild electric shock before you're filled.
I you haven't got high blood pressure, you used to it. That was... did I feel it?
That's 1920 spark.
I know, I tell you what, mate. And this being and actually, just to show that it is real rather than more of my bollocks that I talk, there you are, look. That is a world land speed record, Guinness Book of Records. That
Get it, Dave.
And it's got the good ones on the races. That's actually the Tiddly back bike, right? So we parked it up on Friday night, came in on Saturday morning, bloody thing on its side, you know? I'll blame you, Alan. You've got it. We're clean now, and I've got to tell you, man, that's probably one of the reasons why I love doing stupid things. We were talking about it yesterday, about growing old disgracefully. But you know, I've taken most drugs, I'm unproud to say. And I have to tell you, my answer on that, rather than any other drug.
Yeah, that's the biggest rush you can have in your life, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, you've got to go and experience this stuff.
It's not scary. We weren't scared. It's like super excited. Wasn't it?
Yeah, of course we were. And that's what it's about. And if we're going to buy it, we buy it. We have a nice time, box.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
Really, seriously. People will go, sigh of relief. Well, that Henry Cole's croaked. Thank God for that. Might be something decent on the box, you know? But seriously, I think what we've all got to do, I was going on about this yesterday, so forgive me if you were here, but you know, the government have forgotten about us lot, right? We are the silent majority which no one's really interested in anymore, right? So we need to grow on disgracefully, bollocks to them, have a great time, have a great laugh before I clog up the NHS. Which I will do, not as much as he does. But we need to enjoy ourselves, folks, shall we? You know, and motorcycling.
So, yeah, I could go for it. Yeah, no, I'd be terrified. I don't want to do 200 miles an hour.
I'm not sorry, am I being sacked?
No, you're not. No, you're not. I don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do it.
Also, I'd work in a
I'd be terrified.
You see, you have to be a bit odd to go on the back.
I agree. Or I was terrified at 125.
All right.
I'm used to riding a Bentley at 55. It seemed like walk factor 10 at 125.
I knew the Bentley at story's really good. Yeah, I can't remember it, but it's bloody good. Okay, fellas.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Do you want to hear a ghost story from Guy? It's like Jack and Ori.
No, I don't actually. That's not interesting enough.
It'll just be really quick. This bloke, the wind came.
Up in this Jacobean manor house. It was massive.
Were you squatting?
I had the whole top floor.
All right.
And
You were squatting.
It was New Year's Eve. My parents went out to a party.
Yep.
I was there.
Yep.
Got a bit drunk and everything, but I wasn't that
Probably
far
stayed
gone.
as well.
And then, so it's New Year's Eve. I'm up there on my own, and then there was this smashing, banging noise, a rhythmical noise, and non-stop. I thought, what the bloody hell's that? So I go downstairs, and one wing of it was being rebuilt, and there was this door there. I was just about to open the door to find out what this smashing was, and I could hear kids giggling the other side of it, which
You would do.
and then I opened the door, it was just a gust of wind came through, and the noise completely stopped. But it terrified me at the time. Admittedly, I was slightly out of it.
So can I just say, Guy and I growing up together, slightly out of it doesn't really describe the formative years very well. You're unbelievable. Isn't it? I mean, that is exquisite. Another one has been saved where we thought it was impossible.
The fellow has got ADH.
Huh?
Let's hear it running.
Does it work?
I don't think you're going to need earplugs.
Alan's here.
We had
Alan's
this
here.
yesterday. A little bit of choke.
Yeah, good.
Can you handle a horseback?
See the scars.
Oh my God, that is beautiful.
What about that? Fantastic.
Oh mate, where is Paul? Is he here? Well, I'll tell you, that's a fuel pump, isn't it?
Yeah, and there's a servo for the clutch.
What?
There's an electric servo for the clutch as well, I think.
Watch me go. Just finally, can we give a big hand to two people here, three actually, one of which is Steve Plater, who deals with us already. The man is a legend racing, not so much now as top player. And also to James and Christina for looking after us, and Joe Martino. And for putting all this out. Thank you so much, folks. We appreciate it. I'll go, sorry, I'm out.
Right, these boys are going to go out.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button.